What's up, gang? It's another freaking Monday. So, sponsor me. Alright, gang. Let's do this. Alright. Alright, so, here we go. Here's the game plan. TQQ. It's on its way down. I really think that's either going to do it's going to hit this 180-day SMA, and then it's going to bounce back up. But then we're going to look at Ugaz and Dgas. So Ugaz is on an upward trend. I really thought it was going to go down, but it didn't. But I know, that's fine. It's fine. All you have to do is trade off directions with Ugaz and Dgas. Like, look at. You could got in the top right here. Whoops. Whoops. Alright. Oh my gosh, I can't do it right now. Please, work. Man, nothing is working. Sorry, dudes. Dudettes. Can I please just, like, erase this? Clear out drawing set. Alright, so you can see, like, even if you bought at the highest point of everything, it still had an overall upward trend. So 30 days ago, you'd be up 20%. 20 days ago, 24 days ago, you'd be up 20%. But literally, whoever recognized this pattern, it's a really nice pattern because it did a nice ascending triangle pattern. So whatever you bought, you're really freaking fresh for doing that. For tomorrow, Dgas is not overbought yet, so I'm gonna wait for it to be overbought. But it did hit two resistance lines, so there's one of two things gonna happen. It's gonna go down, or it's gonna go up one more day. But if it goes up after hours, it's probably gonna skyrocket again, because look what happens to this time. You can see it did it half here, but you can see that there's usually a 3-day massive push. And so this is the first day, this is the second day, and this is the third day. This is the first day, this is the second day, and this is the third day. This is the first day, this is the second day, and this is the third day. And this is the second day. So there's usually a 3-day push. So be really, really ready for that. I'm sorry, I know, the headphones, it's kind of bad, but I don't really care. I know I kind of look fat in the shirt, shut up. So, good for tomorrow. WB, I'm looking at high returns here. Just crossed the MACD, but it's looking like it's making new highs. TQQ, I just talked about this one. It's not confirmed down yet. Still, yikes. Tandem is like consolidating, and it's on its way down. Look at that one later. Jets, if it pushes above probably 1862, I'd definitely buy it. HPP, this one was on the NASDAQ for the top earners for this year. It has an overall nice upward trend, but if it bounces off of this support line, be ready for a over like 9 days 17% gain. Be ready for that. DSLV, I've been really looking at this one. It's freaking insane. It had a double bottom, and it's following everything perfectly. If it gets rejected at 1126, that's when you really got to consider going in the opposite one. But the MACD is making new highs. It's just got in the green. Everything is really, really legendary. So definitely add that one to your watch list. Billy is making new highs constantly. This is a good stock for literally any time. So yeah, AER, really nice upward trend pattern. So this is most likely. I'd actually add this to a. I mean, it hit a top RSI, but they tend not to respond even like carefully. So you could expect like a 5-day over 5 days at 15% return. So that's really, really good. And another quick update thing. I just VCR. Wait, MACD cross. I made a scanner for the MACD cross, and it's looking hella fresh. Alright, so you can see here here are the patterns, the studies, and the stocks open. Has to be more than $11 patterns. Ascending triangle, channel up, rising wedge, inverse head and shoulders, and head and shoulders, triple top, double triple bottom, and double bottom. That's what we're looking for, and a moving average exponential, a moving average scan 2% above the exponential moving average. That's what we're looking at for this. So you can see definitely companies are taking advantage of this, like Tesla, Adobe, Apple. There's just a ton of them. So definitely add this one to your. Actually, I'm going to add it right now. You can do it with me. EMA, scan. Let's get this, bros. But MACD, that's what we're doing. MACD cross. Open has to be more than $11. Patterns has to be all of these, the ones that are selected. Over 3 months, in a day chart. Studies, MACD histogram, positive to negative, fast input like 12, slow like 26, and MACD like 9, and MACD cross simple. Actually, I'm going to see. I'm not really sure. Let's go CLX. Okay, so whoops. Let's go back to scan. I just want to see what this does. VICR. Alright, so definitely simple. Do simple. Save. Definitely good scans. So what are we considering for Ugaz and Dgaz? Ugaz and Dgaz are one of the best stocks to trade. Ugaz and Dgaz are pretty much the best to swing trade. They are super volatile, but they're fairly consistent, which means that you can make a really decent profit off of pretty much anything. So definitely be ready for that. Actually, yeah. Man, I just had like a massive brain fart. Also, okay, so, I'm sorry I didn't upload. So here's the schedule for this week. Friday is going to be something fun. Today is going to be some market stuff. The next day, actually, Tuesday is going to be Ugaz and Dgaz. Wednesday is going to be market stuff. Thursday is going to be Ugaz and Dgaz because that's the natural gas report. I'm going to try to trade that with you guys. Wednesday, I'm going to do something fun. I really, really like cars, so I think I'm going to show off cars. If you guys didn't know. I personally just bought my freaking dream car. It's a Nissan GTR. Just kidding, because that's what all the YouTubers have. But really, it's a BMW 335i, and freaking put an MHD tune on it. 425 horsepower with 450 pound-feet of torque with all-wheel drive. And it's the X-Drive stuff. So you can literally split the torque and make it all-wheel drive or rear-wheel drive, or you can send like power to each wheel. It doesn't really matter, but I know this is irrelevant. Alright. Let's just talk about stocks a little bit more. Alright? Because you got to get the watch time, you know? Alright, so definitely AER. Billy, I don't like it. It's too high on the RSI. Dgaz, really high on the RSI. Probably will get rejected, but it's on its 3-day rally. DSLV, really, really, really nice. I mean, the other times that it did this nice little MACD formation, has been like kind of long time. So yeah, definitely look at that. And in fact, we're gonna go look at some other charts and some other data to look at. So you guys know that I like look at the news before I recommend any of these stocks. In fact, I did before, and I just mentioned the chart stuff because that's why I do it. DSLV, that's what it is. DSLV. 4-hour chart. It might be done with its rally, but it has a nice MACD and it's low on the RSI. So if you continue to see that up, definitely comp that, boys. All right, I'm gonna go over some stuff. To the person that said, "Why do you have so many tennis rackets on my wall?" They're all rackets that I used in the past, and I love tennis. Well, I'm in high school. I'm a sophomore in high school, so that's kind of like my sport. I've been playing for 7 years, and no, I'm not gay. All right, so actually, let's look at what's it called. So a lot of people think that we're gonna go into this kangaroo market thing, which is where it just like it's basically consolidation, but for a long time. And I really don't think that it's going to be that way. So we are going to go and look at some stuff. So we're going to go market watch. And then we're going to type in the stocks that we're doing, just to show you guys that this is news too. Oh, look at that. It's got a mask on. Let's go DSLV. Alright. Charts, holdings. Where is it? Alright, news. Wait, I kind of forgot what DSLV means. Okay, so it's 3 times the inverse. Alright. Primary silver mining industry falls to the lowest ever. That's good for the damn it. Alright, we're gonna finish this video off early, but you guys can read that other stuff. Thanks for watching. I'm getting a FaceTime call from Kyle, so see you later.